Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to another week of reading. Last week, you were researching different animal topics by reading books and watching videos, and while doing that, you were taking notes and synthesizing. This week, we are going to be collaborating with different classmates who have the same animal as us. The source that we're going to use in order to collaborate and talk to each other about the things you're learning is called Padlet. This resource is something that we did use in class, but today what I wanted to do is go over some of the tools that you can use when using Padlet. Okay, so the first thing I want to teach you is how to leave a comment on Padlet. So the first thing I'm going to do on my Padlet, and you'll notice that is already information on our Padlet. We will talk more about this throughout the week um, about each of the different areas, but today I just want to teach you how to use it. So kind of ignore the stuff going on above. All right, so let's say I want to leave a comment in the vocabulary section. So I would I would press this plus sign and a box pops up. See how I can't see the whole bottom of the screen? See, there's a scroll bar here. I can click my mouse, hold on to it, and drag down. So now I can see my entire box that I want to write in. The first thing you want to do is to write your name because we want to know who's participating and leaving comments. So I would write my name, Miss Earth, in the title section. So I'm going to erase my name so you can see it says title. The title is your name. I'm going to write it again. So now I'm going to leave my vocabulary word comment. So blubber is the part of the penguin that is their fat. The blubber keeps the penguin warm just like fur keeps animals such as dogs, cats, bears. All right, so now I have my comments written out. The next thing I want to teach you about is how to bold your text. So my vocabulary word that I used was blubber. So I am going to bold the word blubber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my mouse where I want to highlight, and I'm going to drag and highlight the word blubber. Once you do this, a bar, as you see on my screen, will pop up with all different buttons. I want to bold, and the bold is the big capital letter B. When I click it, you notice that my word blubber is now bold. I also want to highlight my word blubber. So once again, I'm going to put my cursor, my mouse, where I want to highlight, hold down my mouse and slide and highlight. Now I'm going to also highlight the word blubber. And this pen here is the highlight button. There is only one color to highlight. There's no changing the color. And you're just going to press it once, go out, and now I have a highlighted vocabulary word. These are great tools to show what vocabulary words you're doing, whether it's in vocabulary words or any other area that you're writing something and you want to bold or highlight. All right, so now we have learned how to leave a comment, how to bold, and how to highlight text within the comment. The next thing I want to teach you is how to scroll. If you notice over here in our first column, you see Mrs. Traverson's comment on the top. You kind of see my name a little bit down here, but you can't see what I commented. That's because what's going to happen is they go into a scroll. So in order to see the comments below and make sure that you're seeing all the great information that your classmates are leaving, you want to make sure you're scrolling down. And how you're going to scroll is you see this bar on the side. You're going to hold on to the bar and drag on down. And here you're going to see my comment now. And I even put a picture in. Oh, Mrs. Travers like commented on it. That's awesome. So if I scroll up and down, I can see all of the comments now in each section. And the last tool I want to teach you about is how to like someone's comment. So in school, a lot of times when you agree with someone or you can connect with someone, we use signals like this or thumbs up if you agree with them. However, on online sources, we don't have that ability to do it. Instead, we have like buttons. And the like button, you'll notice here, Mrs. Traverson commented on my picture, and I really love that she commented on my comment. So I want to just give her, instead of saying, I agree 100 times, we have a tool called a like button. And what I'm going to do, see the heart, click it, and then there is a like there. And Mrs. Traverson can see that someone liked her comment. I am not 100% sure if you can see who likes your comment, but the more likes you get, don't you feel good about some likes? So I hope you really liked this video today. I hope it was useful in helping you navigate this new online resource. And I hope that you're able to collaborate with your classmates throughout this week and learn more about your animal than you did last week. Have a fun time, enjoy yourself, and